What is the standard of care after clinical trials? Imagine finishing a long journey through a clinical trial and wondering what comes next for your treatment. You might be curious about what kind of care you'll receive now that the trial is over. Well, the standard of care is what guides that next step. It is the treatment that most patients with your condition would typically get outside of a trial setting. This is based on current medical guidelines and what experts agree is best. The goal is to make sure you continue to get the most effective and safest treatment available. When a trial ends, your healthcare team will usually recommend the best proven therapies for your condition. Sometimes, if the trial involved a new medicine that showed promise, you might have the chance to continue using it. This is called continued access, and it is often planned before the trial even begins. If continued access isn't possible, your doctor will switch you to the standard treatments that are available in your healthcare system. This could mean starting a well-established medication, undergoing a different type of therapy, or receiving supportive care to help manage symptoms. It is important to understand that the responsibility for your care after the trial is shared. The trial sponsor, your healthcare provider, and sometimes local health authorities all have roles in making sure you get proper treatment. Before the trial ends, your doctor should clearly explain what your next steps will be. They will tell you whether you'll stay on the investigational treatment, switch to a standard therapy, or receive supportive care. This helps you prepare and know what to expect. The standard of care includes the most common initial treatments, called first-line therapies. If those don't work or cause side effects, second-line or subsequent therapies are used. When you leave the trial, you will usually receive these proven treatments unless you are still able to access the investigational medicine. Even after the trial ends, your health will be monitored. Follow-up visits may be scheduled to check on your progress, watch for side effects, or see how your disease is doing. This ongoing care is important for your safety and helps inform future treatment options. If you're thinking about joining a clinical trial, ask your doctor about what will happen after the trial ends. Find out how your treatment will be managed and who will be responsible for your care. Knowing this information helps you feel more confident and prepared for the next phase of your health journey. Remember, the main point is that the standard of care is the best, most accepted treatment for your condition. Whether you continue with an experimental therapy or switch to proven treatments, your health and safety are always the top priorities. Clear communication and planning before and after the trial make sure you get the right care every step of the way.